Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your browser using an easy method. First, understand that Brawl Stars is a mobile-only game, so we'll use an Android emulator to bridge that gap. This allows you to enjoy the game on a larger screen with keyboard and mouse controls, enhancing your gameplay experience. It's a straightforward process that opens up new ways to play your favorite mobile titles. To begin, you'll need to choose a reputable Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks or Nox Player, both known for their performance and compatibility. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator and download the installer file. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your system. After successfully installing your emulator, launch it from your desktop. You'll see an interface that mimics an Android tablet or phone. Locate and open the Google Play Store just as you would on a mobile device. Use the search bar to find Brawl Stars, then click the Install button. The game will download and install directly into your emulator, preparing it for play. Once Brawl Stars is installed, you can launch it directly from the emulator's home screen. You're now ready to enjoy the game with the benefits of a larger display and customizable controls. For the best experience, explore your emulator's settings to optimize performance, perhaps adjusting resolution or frame rate. And hey, if you're looking for other great entertainment, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.